show this lowering. I still do not see anything right now. I'm going to be pretty close to this thing right here. It would like to, though. It would like to put something on the ground. To show you what he's saying, the funnel cloud. Yeah, we're going to show you what they're calling the funnel cloud. I'm right here.
Guys, we're just to the west. 10-4.
I'm going to step out and look at this. See if this is rotating. I can't tell.
Order it.
I'm just probably a mile away from this, so I'm right here close. It's definitely a lowering. And it's definitely got some rotation to it. And also what I'm seeing some rain back here on the even south of this lowering here. And sometimes that's not good. If this thing's coming right at me. I told Tammy I was going to go into the bear's cage today. I'm in the bear's cage.
Hey, Madison, I'm at Village Creek. Copy that. Rotation's not on the ground yet, but visual funnel. Funnel is very, very visible. Info what I'm looking at. Madison, I just sent you some pictures to your cell phone. Copy that. Public service could be. Public service is, they are aware of the situation.
I'm going to move on down the road. If that was a funnel, it's breaking up now. Pretty much right under the, almost right under the rotation now. It is rotating in up high, but no funnel cloud I can see. I'm gonna have to go down the road just a little bit and get east of this, and then I'll turn around. I gotta call Tammy. I think this will go north of Swifton. This is gonna go north of Swifton. No, it's right there. Are you watching me? If you watch me, you know all about it. Alright. Well, if you hear it may not tell you. I think anyway, it's going to go north of Swifton. I'm on it out here on Pawpaw Road right now. I'd ride up on a rotation and so I don't think it's going to be a Swifton, so I'll get off here and turn around. I'm kind of waiting for it now. Close, I can't get a good visualization on it. Alright, love you. Master. I'll give y'all a real quick look at the storm before I head north. That's the storm. Y'all be mindful of that tornado warning. The rotation look, I'm going to look at it real quick on radar. The rotation looks like it's a little bit west of Bradford. So y'all keep in mind on that storm while I'm on this storm here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I can see a pretty good funnel right here. I'm fixing to get in the rain though. Suicide frogs out here now. They might just jump in front of your vehicle. That'd be the storm right there. Not much lightning with these storms today. It'd be nice if they was. And we're going to lose it just for a minute. Fixing to have to go east here in a minute. I may take, if I can take the phone out of the holder. Let me just watch it for a minute. If I see something right in front of me. Stay with it on this gravel road north. Update on the storm in southern Jackson County. Last time I looked, the rotation was near Bradford. Well, then it'll stay south. I guess the Newport and go there, Walton. Welding into the gloves at Walton. I would say we're pretty safe on this storm right now. In between lightning flashes, I do not see that. Pretty close on the rotation, pretty near it. y'all can't see that, but I can still see the wall cloud got some stud hanging from it. You can see it here in just a second. I'll get back on the highway. And I'll take this to, probably take it all the way to Alicia, and then I may shoot over to Cache. Now, I'll turn the phone where you see this wall cloud. I'm going to drive. When it lightens, that'll be the wall cloud right there. It'll be hard to see if anything. These storms do not have much lightning. Northern Jackson County is clear of it. I know if I was in Newport, looks like there's still rotation north of Bradford now. If I was in Newport, I would I'll just see. Y'all are just under. There's not a tornado warning yet for Newport. It's hard to drive and look at the radar and the warnings. The radar data is, I'm just right behind this broad area rotation. Just need a little bit of light to see. Maybe I can see what like I'll be able to stay up. Ashton said this storm has lost a lot of intensity, but it's still a lowering. Got some law enforcement down here. Somebody watching. I got a. Does not look like they're going to extend that tornado warning to Jackson County from the one in Bradford. That storm spotter is hell around Oxford. About to catch up with the road under the wall cloud here. When I've got Tammy with me, I get up close and personal with them. I've had a lot of followers since I covered that one at Newport Diaz or Diaz and Campbell Station, but this is what I do. I storm chase most of the time. And me and Tammy, she likes to go out there with me. I keep her a safe distance, but I like to get right up close to the rotation and try to stay safe. I guess storm chasing is kind of like bull riding or riding a rocket up in space. So we're going to go, I'm probably going to go about Minard. I can still see the raggedy wall cloud down. I wish it was more light. And earlier, I mean, they was reporting a funnel. It was a lowering to me. I wouldn't have called it a funnel, but okay, they didn't extend that tornado warning into Newport, but Newport ought to be seeing a lowering or a wall cloud. It's going to be broad rotation over Newport, but not enough to issue a tornado warning. It's still under a severe thunderstorm. Looking, I'm going 60. I'm not expecting to see a tornado. I thought I might see a funnel or. People need to slow down. Up there get a few shots of it. It's still got a wall cloud to it, and the one that's going over Newport, they've already passed over Newport. It's going to have a wall cloud to it, and it's got. I'm showing rotation, but there's not enough rotation for it, and I'm sure that thunderstorm warning has a possible tornado tag on it. I'm not sure. I don't see it. But it's got a broad area rotation. I'm going to cross these tracks right here. Maybe I can pass this. There's someone sitting right here. I'm gonna get out here with my phone and watch this. A couple lightning strikes. They're still lowering with it, and I'm sure there's a rotating wall cloud with it, but it's maybe a few lightning strikes. You can see that lowering right there. There's a pretty good lowering though on it. Oh, I got me a friend. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? That a house over here? Maybe? Your farm shop dog? What's up, bud? Come here. Watch this storm. Good boy. Alright, I'm fixing to end this. They probably won't extend this tornado warning either, but it's been nice to watch these during the daytime. But thanks for watching, and I'll still be watching the storm, watching that storm coming into Newport. And maybe they're done for the night for here. Just be to the east of us.